Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you all the details you need to make smart beauty choices. Today, let's talk about something that can take your lip game to the next level. We're reviewing the KIKO Milano Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner in shade 05 Pinkish Brown. A lip pencil that promises long-lasting comfort and color. Is it really as good as it sounds? Let's dive in and find out. Now, the KIKO Milano Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner is designed to offer a smooth, creamy texture with a luminous finish. It's perfect for those looking to define their lips while keeping them hydrated. The pencil comes in a shade called Pinkish Brown, which is a versatile color that suits various skin tones, adding a natural yet polished look. The formula is marketed as being suitable for all skin types, so it's safe to say that it's designed to be inclusive. It glides on smoothly, which is crucial for a lip liner because no one likes the tugging that some lip products can cause. The color payoff is quite strong, and the finish is luminous without being overly glossy, just enough to give your lips a healthy shine. As for the real-world application, it was incredibly easy to incorporate into my beauty routine. The creamy texture made it glide on with no effort, and it didn't tug or pull on my lips, which I really appreciate. I used it both on its own and under a lipstick, and it held up pretty well throughout the day. Even after drinking water and snacking, the liner stayed in place, which is a big plus for anyone who's looking for longevity. The shade itself is a lovely neutral, not too pink and not too brown, which makes it ideal for everyday wear. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pros side, the creamy texture really stands out. It applies smoothly and comfortably, and I love how it doesn't dry out my lips, something I've found with other liners. The color is a great everyday option, and the luminous finish adds a subtle touch of freshness. Plus, the lasting power is impressive for a lip liner. It stayed in place through eating and drinking without needing constant touch-ups. On the cons, I'd say the main drawback is that the color might be a little too light for people with deeper skin tones. While it's versatile, it could come off as a bit subtle depending on your lip shade. Also, if you're someone who's looking for a matte lip liner, this won't be your ideal pick. The luminous finish is great for a fresh look, but it's not the best if you prefer a matte finish for your lip contour. When it comes to value for money, I think the price point is fair considering the quality. It's not the most affordable lip liner out there, but you're definitely paying for a smooth application and long-lasting wear. If you're a fan of KIKO Milano and appreciate the combination of comfort and performance, then I'd say it's worth it. Now, in terms of build quality, the pencil itself is quite sturdy, and the packaging is sleek. The lid clicks into place securely, which is always a good sign. I haven't noticed any issues with the pencil breaking, even with consistent use. It's easy to sharpen as well, so you won't have to worry about any mess. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a more affordable lip liner, I'd recommend checking out NYX's Professional Makeup Slim Lip Pencil. It has a similar smooth texture, and they offer a wide variety of shades, although the longevity might not match up with KIKO's. In summary, the KIKO Milano Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner in Pinkish Brown does deliver on its promise of a creamy, long-lasting lip liner with a luminous finish. It's easy to use, comfortable on the lips, and perfect for creating a natural, defined lip look. While it may not be for everyone, especially those looking for a matte finish or a more intense color, it's definitely worth trying if you want something versatile and hydrating. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.